In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add the Wi-Fi widget to your control center on iPhone 16. This allows quick and convenient access to network settings without opening the Settings app, making it easier to toggle Wi-Fi on and off, switch networks, and troubleshoot connectivity issues instantly. In your control center, long hold onto your screen. You will then tap onto this option of Add a Control. Go through and search for the Wi-Fi control. Tap on it to get added to your control center. You can now move or size it to what you actually want. Once done, tap on any free space on your screen and the Wi-Fi option will get enabled to your control center successfully. This enhances usability and streamlines network management. That's how easy it is to add Wi-Fi to your iPhone 16's control center. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.